Cheap here. We're gonna moonwalk out of here, but he's gonna be... Crap! No! Don't mind me!
What? Jesus. No. You were not supposed to be here!
I was just leaving.
Why did you have to ruin everything? What have you done, you stupid...
I'm sorry!
Evil bitch.
Well, that was a little bit rude.
Who are you?
Yes, lie.
I'm the gas inspector. There's a leak somewhere?
Is that so? I can't smell any gas here. How odd. I think you're lying. You took her away, didn't you? What has she ever done to you?
What? Look, sir, you are wrong.
Shut up. I won't let you trick me again. Did they send you?
Who's
think
they?
I fall for these lies, but I'm smarter than this. I know what you're up to.
Let's leave Mitzi out of this.
Trouble. Just
She would do
let
that.
me go.
And I've got a gun. I can shoot you right there in your heart.
What if he didn't?
It's not worth it, Joe. I've done you no harm.
Don't use his name.
Of course you haven't got a heart. Isn't that right?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Listen, I've got to go now, alright? I'll slowly walk out of here, and you'll never see me again.
Just keep moonwalking.
Calm down. I'll go now, and we'll forget all about this.
There's nowhere to go. It's all wrong. No matter what I do. Damn it! Get back here right now and give me that blasted key!
Please, don't get angry. I don't have any keys. Just sit down and take a deep breath while I make my way out, alright?
Down the hole I go. Did I die? Came through here, devil. Rainbow. Well, let's just go through them all. They're all gonna be walls. Wait, what? Oh, I have to make a sentence, don't I? Devil came through here. Yeah, we're not. Just go. 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 I would like to be alive again. Where's this?
Come in. There's no need to be afraid. I don't bite. Come in already. I might need your help with something.
What? There's horror books on the shelves. More than half of them are written by Stephen King. I guess Joe's a fan. This bed is rather fancy. It reminds me of beds they have in these cheesy country hotels. Oh, it's a bad idea.
Where are we?
I really can't remember the name of this town, but I'm pretty
Awesome.
sure the hotel is called Quiet Haven.
This is a hotel?
I know, it's a joke. They shouldn't charge half the price for this dump if you ask me.
You need my help. I thought you wanted to kill me.
Why would I want to kill you? You must be mistaken. Who do you think I am?
Let's
Sorry.
play it safe.
I must have gotten the wrong idea.
It happens to me sometimes. I've been known to be a bit intimidating, I guess. But I'm not a violent person.
Okay, good to know.
I mean, I will use violence if I'm pushed against the wall. Do you know what I mean?
All too well, Mr. Davis. All too well. This is all just a dream, right?
It's funny that you would say that. I've already heard that somewhere today.
Uh-oh.
But if this is a dream, I've been asleep for a very long time.
I'm sorry. I just want to leave.
Yes, I understand. I wouldn't stay here myself if it was my decision to make. I'm stuck here
What?
too. You see, my wife Ivy is in the room to the left. She's a little fragile at the moment.
Oh, jeez.
She said she was going to do her makeup, but it's been a week now. Maybe longer. Every time I try to talk to her, she just gets angry. And she tells me she's not done yet. I've cooked her a meal, but she ignores me. She never likes what I cook.
But what's that got to do with me?
If you talk to her, I'll show you the way out. I promise. Just go in there and tell her she looks fine. She's always so careful about looking perfect.
Okay. I'll see what I can do.
She's gonna look like the freaking Joker after he cut his face off.
So, your wife's been in that room for a week?
Now
Spoilers.
that you bring this up, I think it might have been a month.
What?
That's a very long time to stay in one place.
She wants to look great. I guess it takes time, but we really have to go now. I think there's a big storm coming. I feel it in my bones.
Goodbye, Joe.
Bloody handprints all over it. Great. Oh, she's so dead. I'll cover tightly screwed in place. I can't remove it by hand. Something special about it. Oh, I don't want to look. I don't want to look. This is Joe's wife. Poor woman. This is horrible.
Hello? Misery.
Okay, let's never do that
Is
again.
that what you said?
Is there more?
Hello?
Nope. I don't know why I talked to her again. Make it go away.
Misery.
No, stop talking to her. She's
Is
scary.
that what you said?
Is it gone? Okay. I don't know why I went to the dress. Are you sure we can't hang this one? Okay, we talked to her.
Goodbye, Joe.
Oh no, I have to do something, don't I? Alright, so what do I need to do? Why would the map help me? I am not sure what I'm supposed to be doing. Alright, I'm gonna start checking the black dress. It's not gonna be the map. I need some way to get that panel open. I'm at the point where I'm just gonna try everything on everything. Maybe I talk to him again now?
So, your wife's been in that room for a week?
Now that you bring this up, I think it might have been a month.
Ah,
It's
jeez.
a very long time to stay in one place.
She wants to look great. I guess it takes time, but we really have to go now. I think there's a big storm coming. I feel it in my bones.
Goodbye, Joe.
Okay, there's gotta be... Joe Davis, bed, chair, bookcase. Oh, search. There's a book titled Misery here. Is that what she meant? It's a long shot, but I might as well try. Good book, by the way. And good movie. Oh. Don't know what it's doing in there, but it will surely come in handy. Let's do the screwdriver. What does the left switch do? Is that what you want?
Hello? Misery. Is that what you said?
Let's try making those not look at her. Oh, that made him look at her more.
Hello?
Is it the same conversation? Okay.
Misery. Is that what you said?
Okay, we get it. So I need to use something. Pull the right again? No. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing. Is this right? This will be repeat the conversation, won't it?
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Misery. Is that what you said?
Why do you have so many mirrors? Okay, so I need... If I pull the right now. Two switches on the side panel. I wonder what they do. Oh, this is kind of hard to figure out. What happens if I keep pulling the right left? Okay, so right just does those two. That looks like it reset it. Am I trying to angle all of them towards her? Because that looks like they're all facing her. Alright, right switch. Angled them all. That angled them all more. Okay, let's try... Right. Whoa, God! I accidentally got it right. I don't know how.
No. 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 No! This isn't Ivy! This isn't my wife! It's the monster. It followed me here. It always follows me. No matter what I do.
Look, I'm sorry.
You must kill it.
What? Why
No.
me?
You still got that power lead, haven't you? The one you stole from me?
How do you even know about it?
You must use it to kill her. To strangle her.
You're out of your mind.
Do it. Strangle the goddamn creature so it never follows me again, or I'll shoot you right here, right now!
Kill
Bring
me
it.
if you want, but I won't do that.
You're with her? I should have guessed. I can't trust you. You're better off dead.
Spoiler, I never say dead.
Are you alright, Mrs. A?
You look like you've seen a ghost.
Something strange happened.
What?
I'm mad after all.
Don't be silly. I was gone for less than 1 minute.
Really? Somehow it felt longer than that.
Time drags when you've got nothing to do, I guess. I see you found the laptop cable. That's good news, because I don't think mine will be any good. Let's see what's on this hard drive, shall we? Well, that was a waste of time.
Never mind. At least now we're sure it's not him. Let's just go. I don't want to spend another minute in this place.
Hey, did you think of a vegetable?
What?
I'd asked you to think of a vegetable while I was gone. So, did you?
Yeah. Sure.
Broccoli.
Now don't tell me. Was it carrot?
No. Sorry.
Oh, that's odd. Are you sure?
Yes. I thought about celery. Now let's go. Joe can come back any minute, and you don't want to meet him. He is not a nice guy.
Did that happen or not? I need adults. Life is weird. Oh, hey, I've got the screwdriver so I can go open the thing. Also, it's been 20 minutes, and I feel kind of determined to finish this game today. Then again, this game has been a lot longer than I expected it to be. Not in, like, a bad way. I'm really enjoying it. But, Yeah, let's set ourselves up to scare the crap out of Brian, because he's got it coming. See ya.